From the shadows of society, crimes unfold. Darkness breeds deceit, and justice seeks the truth. Good morning and welcome to Social Buzz on Global Morning. I am Ogochukwu Mobner. And today on Social Buzz, an inmate who escaped from the Orlean Justice Center on May 16th along with 9 other inmates has appeared online to plead his case and deny allegations related to his arrest and escape. At one point, the escapee says, "Who I was in the past is not who I am today," while denying allegations that he threatened a maintenance worker with a weapon and called the jail system corrupted, and referencing both OJC and St. Tammany Parish jails. Marseille claims the domestic abuse battery charge that kept him in jail was based on a false report from a jealous girlfriend. He also displayed what he claims are affidavits stating, "This is the affidavit on a date right here." He further accused the state of Louisiana of corruption, arguing he was being unfairly prosecuted and mistreated behind bars. Marseille claims he was facing life in prison for charges he did not deserve and alleged his decision to leave jail was about escaping an unjust situation. Okay, we're going to take a look at a short clip to know how this thing goes. Please, let's see this video.
I'm one of the ones that was let out of GC. What I want to talk about today is as far as why I was in Orleans Parish jail. All type of stuff going on and they covering it up. They don't care about nothing in the state of Louisiana. This is something that need to go under a federal investigation. What's going on? How they handling cases? Why Antoine Massey was in jail if the woman, the victim, the grown woman, not a child, the grown woman stated that he never raped her, he never beat her, he was nowhere in her presence. This is the affidavits on the thing right here. This is the drop form from the district attorney office. This woman went did this. I didn't do this, nigga. It's legally dignity. So I'm asking please for help. Young boy, Meek Mills, people, LB.
Alright, we've seen that video, but is he really guilty? We do not know. We're going to be taking some comments here on social media, and the first comment is coming from Okiro Cliff. Okiro Cliff says, "I have never heard of a guilty man on the run trying to prove his innocence. I hope he gets heard and not judged based on his appearance." Okay. Well, the next one is coming from Mem Jen. Mem Jen said, okay, I think Mem Jen is actually replying Okiro Cliff on this one, and she says, Google his name and see what this guy has been up to. 10 years and out of prison, 5 escape charges already. Rape, armed robbery, kidnapping, theft, possession of firearm, aggravated flight from an officer, and more. Be careful rushing to defend strangers you know nothing about. He is a criminal who needs to be locked up away from the rest of us. His criminal history is public. Look him up. Okay. The next comment here is from Thik Unademi. Thik Unademi says, "Antoine Marseille's case shows a mix of legal failure and personal desperation. His social media plea suggests he wants to be heard, not just haunted. If he truly believes he was let out, not escaped, he should surrender and present his side in court. That's the only path to any credibility. Public sympathy won't help if he stays on the run. The system must investigate any misconduct, but he also has to face the law." He has to face the law. The last but not the least comment is coming from OKM Herbals, and he says, "Maybe he will turn himself in now and try to rank on public sympathy. Surely there will be an investigation, but he will serve another time for escaping." That is another punishment for escaping, and definitely the law has to take its course, whether he is guilty or not guilty. So that's it today on Social Buzz. I am Ogochukwu Mobner. To stay with us as Global Morning continues.